What is up, guys? Silver Warrior here, and today I wanted to discuss why just 3 ounces of silver about can put you ahead of the majority of the population. So you might be thinking, right? Alright, here we go. How the hell can these little 3 ounces of silver, just this little bit, literally, I could pick this up for 60 bucks. How can this put me ahead of the rest of the population, $60, like there's people, the average person has more than 60 bucks, right? Well, here's the thing. What you're not, if that's what you're thinking, then that's perfectly fine. But what you're not considering is that those people that have more than $60 have it in a currency that is backed by nothing, right? These people that have, the average person surely probably has more than $60 in the United States and other first world countries, not in third world countries, but overall, in these countries where people can afford silver, certainly they do have more than $60, but none of it is real. Just 3 ounces of silver. See, the reason that it really put you ahead is because if everybody got an equal amount of silver in the world, each person would only get, around 3 ounces of silver. Every person would get, around that much if all the silver was distributed equally among every person. All the silver that we have, that's available right now, right? All the available silver, if it was split among everybody, every person might get 3 or 4 ounces of silver at the most. And, some of the silver, most of the silver that is mined is going to be put into electronics and can't be recovered. So I'm talking about all the available bullion. Every person would only get around 3 ounces of silver. And that's, that's being generous. That's like probably even less than that. I'm just kind of, estimating because I don't know exactly how much silver has gone into bullion over, all of human history, but it wouldn't be that much. So just having 3 or 4 ounces of silver means that you have more silver than anybody else ever can now, in terms of, if everyone tried to own silver. You'd have more silver than everybody else who never bought silver until a certain point if everyone tried to get silver at once. And everyone got it equally distributed. You have more silver than everyone else ever could together. So this means that technically, having just a few hundred ounces of silver means that you're probably above 99.99% of all the people of, the world. I mean, if you take the average person, you probably have a better economic standing than 99.99% of people. But I just want to make this quick video. I did see another video some guy talking about how much silver is there per person, and that's what inspired this. So if you were wondering, yeah, I did get that inspiration. Just a quick video though, and I do hope you enjoyed it. I hope it motivates you, because that's what this is supposed to be, and as opposed to just a strictly factual video. It's supposed to motivate people, who are in the same situation myself, as stacking on a budget and not being able to afford an insane amount of silver, to remember that, no matter how little of an amount of silver you have, as long as you have a little, a few ounces, you are ahead of the average person. And I do really hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that you did find it inspirational. And that is it for this one. Peace, love, and much respect.